it's Dr. Amanda here from StraightSmile Solutions, and today I'm here because I have another unboxing video. I got a box in from my friend Ella, and Ella works for a company in China called Huanghua Promisee Dental Co Limited, and she's been really nice to me. I've talked to her a lot actually. I first saw her really cool Chewies. They're very unique in like an ad or a commercial, and I asked her to send me some samples because I said that I actually want to see these on the US market. And she said she's looking for a distributor, and I said, fine, I'll help you. Let me do an unboxing video. So just to show you, the box is sealed. I'm actually not gonna stab myself. I am doing this live, so I have no idea what Ella sent me. This is all totally live. Stab myself. I'm using the wrong knife. I'm probably gonna get in trouble. But, all right, let's see what we got. Okay. Whoa, we got a whole box of Chewies. Oh my goodness, these are all individually wrapped. I'm so excited. Are these all different? I'm just gonna open one and see what happens. So the box says aligner tray seaters, aka Chewies. It is individually wrapped. That comes nice from Huanghua Promisee Dental Limited. That's Promisee Dental with 2 E's.com. And if you want Ella's contact information, let me know. Super cute. Look, it's individually, so this is a lot nicer than the ones you get from Amazon or whatever else. These are actually individually packaged. She said the FDA clearance is coming out shortly, and they're all different shapes. And I kind of don't want to open this, but I'm going to because it's that cool. So here's my concerns is that, first of all, I've had patients, oh, I should show you. You guys know what Chewies look like, right? Goodness. Okay, I got one on the floor right over here. Hang on, you guys are gonna think I'm nuts. Hang on, I don't know why it's on the floor, but this is live. All right, this is what happens when you do a live video, folks. All right, there was one on the floor in front of me and it was driving me nuts. I've got so many people in aligners in my house, you know, this is what happens. So this is the regular Dentsply one, right? Tiny little hole. I've had a lot of parents, you know, give me the objections. They're afraid their kid is gonna swallow this and it's gonna block their airway. And I get that. So, you know, it makes me nervous giving it to kids too. And now that they're scaling aligners to little itty bitty kids, like 6-year-olds, this makes me extraordinarily nervous to use this. So the smart folks at Promisee Dental Limited have created the Chewy on a stick. And not only is it a Chewy on a stick, okay, I'm opening it, but they come, oh, this is cool. It's basically almost the same thing. They come in all different shapes. So sometimes when you're trying to reach back teeth, it's really difficult to get back there with this kind of round one. Sometimes you want a flat one or a curved one. And then this one's cool. Look, it's triangular shaped. So that's really great for just really getting in between embrasures when you're trying to get in there. So what a great solution. And I don't know what her cost per unit is, but she said it's all in here. So, you know, I'll just take a look at it. Oh, she sent me all kinds of stuff. So there's a big book. Ooh, holy cow. With all the stuff they sell. And oh, look, the Chewies come in different colors and flavors. Oh, this one is peach. I knew that they came in colors and flavors. How cool is that? It says it's a peach. Oh my goodness. This one is grape. Look. This one is lemon. This one is maybe mint. Orange. Oh, did I open the boring one? Oh, I opened the mint one. Oh, maybe I should try it. Hang on. What is that? Is it vanilla? I think it's vanilla. Ella, let me know when I'm tasting. It's good though. It's not like objectionable. It's really orange. Lemon. What is, I don't know. This either is an onion or a peach. I'm not sure. I don't really want to sample these all because my daughter's going to kill me because she's the one who really wanted these when she saw the video. Orange, peach, or garlic. I'm not sure. Anyways, all right. So, ooh, okay, here we go. This is Ella and her contact information for whoever is interested in this opportunity. Hey, there's no kickbacks for me. I just thought it was cool and I wanted the samples and I wanted to do a video. So that's what was in it for me. But if you're interested, visit StraightSmileSolutions.com. You can message me and I'd be glad to connect you with Miss Ella and her nice team. She's super nice. All right, meanwhile, I'm gonna go and try all the rest of these aligners and see what they taste like. Excuse me, aligner chewies. All right, take care, have a good day. Don't forget to go to StraightSmileSolutions.com. Bye-bye.